Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your life. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe here as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about 12 proven ways to make money with WordPress. Nowadays, many people have found ways to make tons of money with WordPress. There are many different ways by which you can also earn a living online with it. Have you ever thought of making money using WordPress? If yes, this detailed post is a treat for you. In this video, I am going to show you 12 proven ways you can make money with WordPress. Number one method is freelancing writing. If you have a device to type and internet connection, you can create content for other websites. While this list is full of ways you can make money with WordPress, content creation extends to pretty much every niche. You can also find WordPress content writing jobs on job board sites. A couple worth checking out include Upwork and Pro Blogger jobs. Before applying, it might be a good idea to have an online portfolio set up to show off your previous work. Specifically, you should be sure to include a short bio, active social profiles, and links to recently published posts. This way, potential employers can have a look at your writing style as well as exposure your articles get across blogs and social media. The second method is create a monetized blog. In the online world, it is always recommended to start a website for your business. So are you waiting for? Launch your own WordPress blog and start making money. Having a blog is a great way to generate passive income. You can make money using affiliate marketing, selling ads, sponsored reviews, etc. from your blog. To sell ads, you can offer your own packages or work through a company like Buy Sell Ads or sign up for a Google AdSense account. Insert your code to let Google Network handle the ads while you get a nice little check each month. You can also leverage your website to promote the other money generating activities such as courses, product, app, premium services. The third method is WordPress courses. Fairly confident in your abilities, create a course. There are millions of people using the internet to learn new skills. The first is to use your website simply as a marketing platform with your courses hosted on a third-party earning site. The second option is to go all in and use WordPress to build your website and host your courses. The fourth method is e-commerce and dropshipping. In addition to knowledge, you can also share or download tangible goods with your readers. It takes a bit of effort to get started, but WordPress is a fantastic platform to build an e-commerce website. In addition to a regular storefront for your own goods, WordPress can also be used to build a dropshipping store. Number 5, blog setup service. Are you a beginner or a part-time blogger who does not have much development experience, even though you want to make money using WordPress? Many people want to use WordPress in their blogs, but they just don't technical knowledge to actually get started. When you create your service page, consider adding multiple price points with increasing level of service. For example, you could have a basic blog setup service for $100, which include installing WordPress, uploading a theme, and adding the theme demo content. Alternatively, you can provide your blog setup service for free, but you will have to rely on affiliate links within your service page. Just remember to only recommend products you have tested and are good. Website maintenance. We mentioned blog setup, but there is a huge opportunity to generate ongoing income with maintenance service. Many websites owners don't want to deal with the day-to-day task of running website. They simply want to way for people to find them on the web. The seventh method is SEO and marketing service. If you have spent time learning how to optimize your on-site, you can certainly put those skills to work. SEO is a huge part of building up a website, which is why SEO services typically fetch premium prices. Whether you assist with content optimization, link building, site speed, or other side aspects SEO, it is certainly an area many website owners are willing to pay for. Number 8 is security consulting and solutions. For those confident in their security abilities and specifically coding skills, security consulting can be extremely lucrative. Number 9 method, WordPress plugin development. If you have used WordPress, you must be aware of one thing. You can't run your blog without using at least a few plugins. Everyone uses plugin to add extra features that help run a WordPress blog successfully. If you find a solution to a problem and create a plugin for it, there is absolutely nothing that can stop you from making income from it. Number 10 is WordPress theme development. Are you a web designer or developer? Yes, then you can make money by developing WordPress themes. You don't have to be a top class designer or a coder to design a great looking WordPress theme. But you should definitely know how you are designing for your targeted audience. If you are just starting out when it comes to creating WordPress themes and not confident enough to go it alone, you can form a team or you can join a venture that is already in the business of making themes for others. This way you won't have a difficult of a time making money while completing your work. The 11th method is theme customization. Are you an advanced developer with some extra time on your hands? Try offering customization services. Many developers are making decent side income offering website themes and plugin customization service on website WordPress job sites. The 12th method is WordPress design services. One of the last ways we want to talk about to make money online using WordPress is to offer comprehensive design services. It can be done easily only if you are good at WordPress. Creating custom design for our clients and building a full website from the ground up. Websites like Codeable, Upwork, and Topaz are great places to advertise your ability for client work. You can also offer your service through your own website if you want to skip the middleman. Make sure you have a great portfolio if you are thinking of making a passive income stream by using this method. If I conclude, then I my final words is that you do not have to be a WordPress genius to make a living. If you can do any of the above niche and know how to sell yourself or your product, you will have plenty of chances to make really good money using WordPress. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.